Hi there. Today we are going to learn about React Native flat list. As we can see in a screen, we are displaying here three items, first, second item, and third item as a flat list. So we will understand step by step by code how it's work through that. So first thing, what is flat list? So the flat list is a component display the similar structured data in a scrollable list. So the flat list show only the render element which are currently displaying on the screen. So this is just a definitions, and now we can write some similar code to understand better. So we will go to the start some online editor. I will paste this editor on my description. So if you want to refer or if you want to learn, you can go through that. So now let's get started. So first we have to import library from React and some component things from React Native. So I'm importing here import. Sorry, I will make little bit zoom so it will be easy to understand. Yeah, so import React from React. All right, so we have done this. Now we will import the some other thing from React Native. So import safe area view, and then we will import view, and then we will take flat list, and then we'll also import a style sheet. So style sheet, and then we will import text, and then last one will be a status var. So okay, from React Native. So we imported this because we are going to use these all the things in our app, right? So now we will define some constant data for displaying in a screen. So we will display like first item, second item, third item, how you have seen in starting on my screen. So we will display. So we will take some static data in the array. So we'll define like constant data and equals to, and then we'll take inside that object id, and id will take one, and we'll take one their values title, and we will find first item. So this is one thing done. The similarly we will take for id2 and the second item. So id2 and the second item and the last one id3 third item. So we are taking id3 and third item. Now we'll close the array here. So this is done. Now we will take one constant for the item, and we will bind the title over there. So const item, then passing parameter here, then function opening, and then we will take inside that view. So and in view we will create some style also for look and feel. Then a style equals to a styles dot item. Okay, now inside this we will take text, and in that text we will bind the title. So so text we have taken, and we'll take a style. So style equals to styles dot title. Okay, and then we will bind title over here. Okay, so now we'll close the tag text tag, and we'll close the view as well. So we are closing. Okay, so now we will close the function of item. So done. Now the next thing, we need to take one more constant for the app, and this will be main. So okay, now app, and we are starting the function, and here we will take inside this one more constant for the render item. So constant render item we define, and then passing parameter item, and then we will take one item, we'll define a style dot title, and inside that we will bind the title. We Great. Okay, so now we are closing this. and now we have to mm, title. So now we closed item and title. Okay, so now we need to write return. Okay, so we will write return, and then return we will take inside this like safe area view. So inside this safe area view our list, so we are taking like safe area view, and in that safe area view we'll take style sheet container. So style sheet styles dot container. Okay, and we'll close this. Now we'll take flat list. So we have taken a flat list, and inside that flat list we will take all our data. So data, whatever static data is there, it will come here. Now render item will be render item. Okay, so render item and render, so this will come here. Now key extractor we will take like item dot id. So key extractor item and equals to item dot id. So this is done. Now we'll close the tag. So it's closed, and now we'll close safe area view as well. So we closed safe area view. Now till here it's done. Now we will start the style, but before I want to on my preview so that it will take some time. By the time it will be okay, so now we will create our class, sorry, style. So constant, mm, we will take constant, and the constant styles inside that style sheet, and create container. Now you'll get some error, I know that, because we have not still done, so don't worry about that, but I'm sure if it will finish then it will work. Okay, so container, inside that container we will take flags. So we are taking flags 1, and margin we will set, margin we will set like status bar dot current height, okay, or 0. So this will be or condition, and here it's closed. Now we will take one, CS for item, style sheet for item, and we will set a background. We'll give some background color. All right, and then we'll set like padding 20, and margin vertical 8. So it will be give 8 margin from vertical, and margin horizontal will be 16. So from horizontal it will be 16. So done. Now the last one we will take for title. So title, just we will set font size 32. So this is done. Okay, so now we are closing and closed. So here also we done, but here you are getting like a default export, or so we have not exported the app, so we need to write the code for that. Export default app, and here we go. Now so now it should work. So see here, we can see the item, first item, second item, and third item for in the screen actually. So I will just minimize that, and yeah, so later. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much.